Cook like a chef and create gourmet meals with the KitchenAid digital countertop convection oven that lets you bake, broil, roast, or crisp, delivering full-size oven performance for perfect results. Enjoy specialty functions like a Sato roast and experience superior tasting meat and fish. Select the pizza function for the perfect crust, however crisp you like it. And with the convection mode, you can quickly and evenly roast up to a 4-pound chicken. Full-size oven performance for your countertop.
Westinghouse offers a full range of microwave ovens, so you can choose the one that's right for you. Each microwave is equipped with an easy-to-read LED display, multiple cooking power levels, convenient quick cook settings, and a child safety lock feature. Whether you're looking for small, simple, or elegant, with Westinghouse, you are sure to find the perfect microwave to suit your needs.
Hi, I'm Paul Hochman for the new Simple. The year 1946, an invention was about to revolutionize modern life. No, not the internet. I invented that. I'm talking about the microwave oven. I know, not perfect. Sure, dinner's ready in minutes, but cold spots, uneven cooking, constant compromises, right? Wrong. Panasonic microwaves with inverter technology are different. Here's why. Traditional microwaves have one power setting, high. At power levels below 10, like defrost, they approximate lower heat by turning on and off repeatedly. That's right, full power when on, no power when off. Surprise, uneven hot and cold spots. Well, inverter technology allows a microwave to deliver heat constantly at any power level, so food cooks evenly and completely, without burnt edges or cold spots. Another benefit, even faster cooking times and healthier, better tasting food. Inverter microwaves cook at a higher wattage, exciting the water molecules in food more quickly, producing heat. And faster cooking is key because the longer food cooks, the less nutrition and taste it retains. Inverter technology is also green. It drastically reduces component size and weight. Typical microwave power supplies weigh about 10 pounds. Inverter power supplies, about 1 pound. Less material to manufacture, lower shipping costs due to weight savings result in a smaller carbon footprint. Oh, smaller power supply frees up additional space in the cavity so you can fit larger dishes in without compromising counter space. So why don't all microwaves use inverter technology? Well, only Panasonic holds the patents that make it affordable for consumers, 177 patents to be exact. That's even smarter than I am. Paul Hochman for the new Simple.
you beyond imagination. Daewoo Electronics.